So in this video is for NEET 2021 aspirants. You have a mock test tomorrow, full syllabus test. You should attempt it only in pen paper OMR format. You should attempt it only in pen paper OMR format because NEET 2021, it has been announced, is going to happen in pen paper OMR format. It is not going to happen in online format. You know you have to attempt 180 question in 180 minutes. You have to practice for the fact that 15 to 20 minutes will go into OMR bubbling. Cute word, bubbling, OMR bubbling, right? So you will actually get 165 minutes to attempt these 180 questions. You have to practice filling OMR right now in your mock test. So only those students will be eligible for the cash prize which we provide to students in mock test who fill pen paper OMR, who do the paper in pen paper OMR format. Tomorrow, top 50 students would be eligible for this 10,000 rupee cash prize, which means top 50 students are going to get 200 rupees each. Let me tell you again how to do this pen paper OMR test on neetprep.com. First of all, it is only available on neetprep.com, pen paper OMR format. It is not available on NeetPrep app. It is not available on NeetPrep app. So you have to come on the website and do it. When you join our test series, our Achiever course, our full course, you get access of both neetprep.com as well as NeetPrep app. So let me tell you on neetprep.com how you'll do it. You can go to menu. You can go to menu. You go to course content, then you go to tests. Okay? Select the second button, NeetPrep test series. See what this is showing is, tomorrow 30th May, you have full test number 4 and you will see a green button like this, attempt now at 1:30 p.m. tomorrow, right? So when you click on attempt now, what you will see are these options. This is for writing the test in online format. You should not do this. What you have to do is, there is the sample OMR sheet. I have also uploaded this sample OMR sheet on NeetPrep Telegram channel. Link is given in video description. You can go and download it. If you are able to take a printout or you already have printouts, very good. That is one thing that you require. Second thing is, download as PDF. Download the PDF. If you can take a printout of the paper, good. If you're not able to take a printout, open the PDF on phone or on laptop. And for 3 hours, like in NEET exam, you will use printout or PDF to write the exam and fill OMR. The OMR sheet which is there with you. If you are not able to take a printout of the OMR, write it on a piece of paper. After your 3 hours are complete, after 3 hours, the choices that you have filled on a piece of paper or on OMR sheet, you will come here and you will go and enter your choices here. So how you will do this? You will click on this. You will see these bubbles. You will fill up these bubbles, okay? Like this. Whatever your choices are, I'm randomly filling it. You don't have to fill these choices, right? And you'll come up. You will click on calculate score. You will click OK. And result would be available at 8 p.m. If you have to be eligible for the cash prize, you have to submit your paper by 8 p.m. So if you submit it before 8 p.m., you'll get a message that come back at 8 p.m. You'll be able to see your score. And then at 8 p.m. you will be able to see your score and you would be able to see your answers. So this is the format in which you can do pen paper OMR test on neetprep.com. This is a unique functionality here because the reality is we don't do anything else except prepare you for NEET. So what we do is we are trying to help you develop the environment like the way you are going to see it in NEET exam. So hopefully you have understood. Best of luck to all of you. And please don't be scared. Attempt mock test tomorrow. Whatever happens, attempt mock test tomorrow. And I will see you at 1:45 p.m. Tell you the same things which I've been doing, which I keep telling you. The important thing is very, very important that you write the mock test tomorrow. All right, students.